Hello dear friends! You are on the ProArt Vitaly channel, and today I will show you how to make such a magical Christmas tree with your own hands. First, we need to prepare lucky stars. In the last video I showed you how easy it is to make such stars. Follow the prompt and watch this video. So, one way to decorate with such stars is to make a cute Christmas tree. It will become a real decoration for your holiday. First, we make a base. Take a green sheet of paper and roll it into a cone, then glue it together. Next, we trim the bottom edge of the Christmas tree evenly. This is what we got. I selected stars in green and red colors. I start gluing them onto our base using glue. Step by step, one star after another, and in the end we will have a beautiful festive Christmas tree. Now I make a top of the tree. For this I take foam Murran in two colors and one toothpick. I use scissors to cut out a star, attach it to a toothpick and insert it into the hole at the top of the Christmas tree. In the end, we got such beauty. Making such a Christmas tree is very simple, although it takes quite a lot of time to make lucky stars. You can decorate your living or workspace with this Christmas tree. It will create an atmosphere of celebration and magic. Try it, you will definitely succeed. If you liked the video, like it and write in the comments if you managed to make such a beautiful Christmas tree. Subscribe to the channel. Who wants to support the channel can become a sponsor. Link in the description under the video. Vitaly was with you. To new creativity. With love.